Tesla, the world-renowned electric vehicle manufacturer, has unveiled a stunning new ultra-red paint color option for its flagship Model S and Model X cars. This exciting new addition marks the first time in several years that Tesla has offered a fresh color option for these sought-after models, replacing the previous multi-coat red that still remains a fixture on the Model 3 and the Model Y. Priced at $3,000, the ultra-red paint color option represents a $500 premium over the multi-coat red option, but the new color is a considerable upgrade. The ultra-red paint is more complex and captivating compared to its predecessor, and boasts a darker, more luxurious hue that is sure to turn heads. It remains to be seen how customers will respond to the ultra-red paint option, but Tesla is confident that it will be a hit. Depending on the feedback and the output of the paint shop, we may even see the ultra-red option being extended to the Model 3 and Model Y in the US, along with a range of new color choices that are sure to excite and delight Tesla fans across the globe.